Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. We're going to boost collagen and elastin. We're going to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. And how are we going to do that? We're going to do this by using a facial oil blend. This is an anti-aging facial oil that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3, all the fatty acid. It helps to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. This is a very versatile facial oil, and all you need from this is about 2 to 3 drops. 2 to 3 drops of this oil on the skin can help to transform the skin. Now, some of you might be like, oh, I have oily skin, I do not need a facial oil. Yes, you do, because this oil is a very light oil. It will not clog the pores, and it works really well on all types of skin. So once you apply your serum on the skin and you're ready for your moisturizer, you can add a drop of this to the moisturizer, or you can use it directly on the skin. So when I use this on my skin, I just warm it like this, and take a look at that. You do not need a lot. And then I just like to press it on my skin. We have star anise oil in this, which is a skin firming oil. And I'm going to also show you how to use that star anise on your skin for best results. So if you're looking for a facial oil to transform your skin, to take your skin to a more glass-like looking skin, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe and share some tips and how to get the best result from using facial oil. Now, if you're out there and you're not accustomed to using the facial oil, just continue to watch the video. And everyone, please watch the video to the end. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to give it a like. And if you're interested in the oils that we're using in this video, just click on the view products link right here, or I'll put the link in the description box. Remember, if you don't have some of these oil, you can choose to substitute and use what you have. Let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. To make the facial oil blend, I'm going to start off with some base oil, which are also known as carrier oils. And my first oil is going to be coconut oil. Coconut oil works to hydrate the skin. It also helps to lock moisture in the skin. It acts like a humectant on the skin, and that is what keeps the skin hydrated and prevent water loss. So I am going to be using 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. 1 tablespoon. If you have solid coconut oil, go ahead and melt and use 1 tablespoon. My second oil is going to be grapeseed oil, and it is a much lighter oil than the coconut oil. When I mix the grapeseed oil and the coconut oil together, it is going to reach somewhere in the middle. So it's not going to be too thick, or it's not going to be too light. It's just going to be perfect for all skin type. So since both these oils are carrier oils, I'm going to be using the same amount, which is 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of the grapeseed oil, which are both carrier oils. So I'm just going to take my whisk and I'm going to blend the 2 oils together, blending coconut oil and grapeseed oil, and we are mixing well. Please note that you can substitute oil if you don't have some of these oils that I'm using to make this a facial oil blend, an anti-aging facial oil. Next, I'm going to reach for a very special oil, and this is star anise. This is an essential oil. However, star anise oil is a very strong anti-aging oil that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin. A star anise oil, you definitely need carrier oil to use with it, and because it's so strong, all I'm using from this is about a half of a teaspoon. So I'm going to use the dropper for this one and run about, as I said, a half of a teaspoon. You do not need a lot of this because it will burn your skin, because it's very strong, and it is a must that you dilute it with a carrier oil. So here we have the star anise, and the star anise smell so good, guys, so good. Help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. We have 3 oils, which is coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and a teaspoon of star anise oil. My next oil is going to be pomegranate seed oil. Now we're using this for strong vitamin C properties. Not only that, when you use the pomegranate seed oil on the skin, it leaves a flash on the face, so it leaves that glass-like appearance on the skin. For the pomegranate oil, we're also using the same amount as the star anise. We're using a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil, and we are pouring this in. We're making an anti-aging facial oil blend that's going to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. And now, guys, we're moving on to our final oil, and let me reach for it. And now here is my final oil, which is the bakuchiol oil. This is a very, very strong oil which helps to boost collagen and elastin and remove wrinkles and fine lines. This is an optional oil. If you do not have this oil, go ahead and use some castor oil instead of the bachi oil. Now, a little of this oil goes a long way, so all I'm using is a few drops of this oil. So right now, 1, 2, 3, about 4 drops of the oil. This is a very highly concentrated oil. Now, people are saying that this oil is the new retinol. That is how amazing this bakuchiol oil is. So now we are going to mix this in, and as I said, if you do not have access to this oil, go ahead and use some castor oil instead. And we are mixing, and we are mixing well. This is an amazing oil blend for reducing wrinkles, boosting collagen and elastin in the skin, transforming the skin, tightening and firming the skin. The star anise oil is what's going to help to tighten and firm the skin. The bakuchiol oil is reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. The pomegranate oil is giving the skin a dose of vitamin C that's lightening and brightening the skin. The coconut oil is locking moisture in the skin. The grapeseed oil is a light oil that is balancing out the coconut oil to make this be great for all skin types. And now our oil blend is finished, and we're gonna pour this in a storage jar. So let's push this up, and now let's pour. This is, oh my goodness, I'm making a mess here. This is not a good pouring, but yeah, let's just pour what is left. And let me do a little cleaning up. And here it is. This is our anti-aging facial oil. A facial oil that can help to transform the skin. All you need from this facial oil is 2 to 3 drops on the skin. You can add this facial oil to your collagen cream, you can add it to your retinol cream, or you can add it on top of any cream, or you can use it as a standalone right after your facial serum. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Leave it on your countertop. Add a few drops to your body lotion. Massage your stretch marks. Massage your varicose vein. Go ahead, guys, and use this on your knees and your elbow. But most of all, use a few drops to tighten and firm, hydrates, and keep the skin looking younger for longer.